everybody, this is Bobby the bartender. Today I will make a Jamaican fruit slush. It's a very simple summer drink for the whole family. Plus another bonus for you. We're gonna do another bar trivia. First, the bar trivia. A man lives on the top floor of a very high-rise building with his wife. She is sick. She is on a heart-lung machine. One morning on his way to work, the man presses the button of the elevator and realizes that his wife is dead. How can this be? When you get the answer, send it in with your comments. Okay? So now it's time to make my Jamaican fruit slush. Very simple summer drink. All we need is a blender and my Jamaican fruits. We got papaya, mango. Actually, this mango is from my farm. Pineapple. And we're gonna blend in 2 portions. And the ginger, don't forget the ginger. And 2 ounces of water. Half cup of water. And we're not gonna use no ice to blend. We're just gonna blend like this. After blending all ingredients until smooth, we're gonna strain just to get rid of the mango and the pineapple trash that left back. After blending all ingredients, we're gonna strain. Okay? Try and get rid of all the trash from the pineapple and the mango. Some people say it's good for digestion, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna get rid of mine. And some people put it back in the blender and blend again. After we strain all the ingredients, we're gonna add some fruit punch to it, just for volume and also more taste. And then we're gonna mix together, and we're not gonna add no sugar, no artificial sugar. And then we're gonna put in the refrigerator to chill, and we pour over ice. That's it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to send in your answer for my bar trivia about the man on the high-rise building with his wife. Thank you, friends.